For those of you using Claude Code, here are some top / commands that come built in to Claude Code. Oh my gosh, my hat is see-through. Whatever. Anyway, if you do / init or init, it looks at your project and writes notes so Claude remembers what it's about. If you do / clear, it wipes the chat clean and starts fresh. Additionally, reset or new does the same thing. When you want to start a new session, do / new. Then / resume picks up an old conversation where you left off. / help shows the full list of available commands. / context shows the full Claude's memory is in right now, like a fuel gauge. / compact, this is a popular one, squishes old chats into a short summary to free up space. So when you see your context is almost finished, all you need to do is do / compact, and then you'll be able to last a little bit longer with that same chat. This usually happens when you see, that little circle when it's filling up and it's almost full. Make sure you compact before it gets full, because once it gets full, you cannot chat anymore. Another trick I like to use instead of compact is to tell Claude, listen, write up a quick MD file with everything we've done so far. And then when I start a new chat, I'll tell you to read it. And that's similar to compact, but the difference is it's like starting a completely new slate and you have much more free context than when you use compact. That's just my little tip. Additionally, here's / memory, edit the long-term notes Claude keeps about your project. So you can literally edit what he's been saying about you, which is fantastic. Make sure you save this video so you can always come back in case you forget any of these. / model lets you switch which model you're using. I use Sonnet for very basic things and Opus 4.8 for more complicated things. And I used to use Fable for things that required knowledge of like the entire code base. But now that they don't have Fable, I just use Opus for that. Effort tells Claude how hard to think, quick answer versus deep, careful work. / plan, give Claude a big goal and keep working towards it. Now, when you type plan, / plan, you then have to type something afterwards. So let me just show you how you would do that. You literally type / plan, then space bar, then the plan. Also with goal, the same thing. If you want to give Claude a big goal and it keeps working till it reaches that goal, / goal, space, and then you type the goal. / code review, Claude checks the recent code changes for bugs. / security review, Claude hunts for security holes in your code. / diff shows what you've changed in your files since the last use. / permissions, set what Claude is allowed and not allowed to do, your safety fences. / MCP lets you see and manage context tool services. / plugins lets you see extra add-on commands you've installed. And so you can always add more of these / commands through plugins.